Oh my God. School cafeteria ribs. After all that yogurt and crap they gave me at the hospital.
I love barbecue rib days.
Yeah, I think maybe I like rib days even more than sloppy Joe day. It's a difficult choice.
Everyone, can I have your attention, please? Look, guys, we're supposed to be the young generation, right? We're the ones upset about the world our parents left us.
Yeah, but eating this kind of food makes us all just as guilty.
The millions and millions of cows and pigs and chickens that we harvest every year are a huge reason for climate change.
It is up to us as students to protest for change. Young voices matter.
Without sustainable and ethical food choices now, we're proving to be no...
Can I please just enjoy my lunch for 5 goddamn minutes?
You gotta calm down, Eric. Remember your condition.
We all have freedom of speech, but stop talking about climate change during lunch.